just making some grunting noise. You are so full of noises. You're having yoga. That right? Emmet is eating bananas and Cheerios and crackers and yogurt. Yummy, yummy, yummies. Hi. Oops, our food fell on the ground again. Oh no! Hi. It's okay, we'll get the puppies. We'll have the puppies get it. What's Emmet? What's that, Em? Emmet is so good at picking up his food and eating it. He's been doing that. Yeah, you've been doing that a couple months. And if you can see the teeth on the bottom, we have teeth on the bottom. Yes, I see them. I see them. And how about the ones on the top? Can I see those too? Can I see those ones on the top? Where are those teeth on the top? Oh, I think I just saw them. A little flash. Hi, handsome. Hi, Emmet Pie. Yummies. Yummies. Hi. Hi, Emmet. Mommy's right here. Hello, cuteness. Well, hello, my cuteness. Hello, cuteness. Hi, Emmy. Emmet, can you wave for Mommy? Can you wave? Hi, Emmet. Hi. Can you show me how you wave? Hi, Emmet. Hi. No, okay. We'll try again later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Emmet. Bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye. 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 Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later, Em. Bye-bye. Okay. Not going to happen.